What's up, everyone? Well, Knitter here. Just got to the secret spot. I'm gonna leave it at that. That is my secret spot. I've been looking for over a year for this place, and finally I found one. Now it's time to clean it up for camp. Whenever it's time to start camping and hanging out, doing cooking, hiking cooks. Just a spot to come for us to chill out, hang out, and to be away from everybody in the middle of the city. But just to show you something right fast. Let's go right over here fast. I'll give you one little secret. Let's go right over here. So this is what it looks like inside here. So it's nice and shaded. There's mom over there. Hey mom, wave mom. There's mom. So and then Baby Groot's right here. Right there. Let me see. Yeah, he's like right there. Yeah, head right on the finger. He's right there hanging out. Oh wow. Check this out, y'all. Look at this big old catfish head. It looks like catfish. Check that out, dude. So, all kinds of cool stuff back here. Stuck on a tree. All right, but yeah, the lake is like right here, so I can resupply water. No problem at all. Not have to bring in a bunch of water to lug it in for more weight on the pack. But yeah, this is gonna be the chill spot right here, y'all. We can come hang out. Close to home, not far. But yeah, I brought y'all along so y'all can see me clean it up and see what happens with it. I'm super excited about it because, like I said, I've been looking for over a year for this place, and finally found it about 6 months back. But as you all know, I was having issues with my nub. There's the lake back there, y'all. You can't see it, but it's back there. Here's a little piece of right there. See right there? That's the lake right there. So it's kind of close to camp. It's great for water. But anyways, back to what I was saying. As much as y'all know right now that I was having issues with my nub, it's doing better now. So I'm able to, sorry about the sun, y'all. Golly. There we go. But yeah, I was having issues with the nub. Now it's feeling better. Good enough for me to get out here and start cleaning it up so we can start camping out here and doing stuff out here. Because I'm ready to get back out in the nature and start doing stuff. But yeah, this is it right here. Welcome to our little humble abode. It's good stuff, but let's get to working, right? What do you say? Here we go, y'all. What's up, y'all? Me again, huh? Just want to come back and let y'all know right now is a nice cool 85 degrees. Oh wow, battery must be dying. So it means I can do better. It shows to be 85 degrees right now. But I don't know, it feels super good in here. That's all I do now. So yep. Right now it's only 10:45, so we're doing good on time. So let's get to work. What do y'all say? I'm gonna work on my camp spot right here. And clear out that brush here in a little bit, so that way I can make firewood stack with that. I got this right here, glow sticks. So, alright y'all. Huh? It's good enough for one though.
That's super filling in. Since you're gonna move this?
Move all this in here. You worry about spiders, I don't want that.
I was gonna say, you're probably not burning that anyway.
Yeah, but I don't want it next to my tank. Because I'm not gonna burn it all up at one time. Alright y'all, this is the best broom ever. This is Amazon broom found in the woods. So it's got a little fork to it. And as you can see, it makes a perfect broom right here. Yeah, this is now the camp broom. Where we come, just sweep it up with it. Make sure the camp looks nice and clean. What's up y'all? Had to do an adjustment to the Amazon broom. Had to go ahead and give it a third piece so that way the leaves didn't slide through the center. So now this is what she looks like. Let me get you a camera view here. There we go. So it's got 3 pieces for the broom now. That way stuff doesn't get away from me, because it was getting away from me, but I was still getting it. But we're gonna get it now even better. Here we go, let's finish cleaning up. Sure is. Things aren't getting out and getting away from between it. Yeah. That the forest in between. Yes.
It's a new one?
No.
In the woods, who cares if it's big?
Huh?
In the woods, who cares if it's big?
Exactly.
Really relax.
Takes a little bit, but you can. Anything stuff that I plan on working on the spot with. So I'm not staying the night. Not in my tent. Perfect piece of And this is why I'm being so careful, y'all, because look at those thorns right there. Man, those are a good long thorn on everywhere on this thing. Look at that, boom. So I'm being kind of super cautious because I don't want to stab myself with a thorn. What's up, everyone? I didn't show this. I walked off, forgot to record it, but I wanted to show y'all. I had to go find a chopping block because every camp needs a chopping block. Otherwise, we need to buy firewood when we need to chop it up and baton it. So basically, what it is, I went to the lake. I went to the lake and found a piece of driftwood that was actually perfect for what I was doing. It's really hard. It's perfect size and everything. You don't need nothing massive, just something big enough to do the work at the camp. Well, it was perfect, but yet still, whenever I chopped wood on it, it was kind of teeter-tottering because it's not completely flat on the ground and on the bottom of that wood. So what I did was I dug a little bitty hole. Here's what it looks like, y'all. Looks pretty cool too. I did a little bitty hole for it to sit in, and I surrounded that hole with the dirt that I pulled up, and made it very stable, as you can see. I mean, it weeble wobbles, but it's going to weeble wobble, and I don't want to bury it too deep, just deep enough to hold it up for me. And I cut it off a little while ago, but this is the wood that I've got so far for the stack. Nothing big, it's all a bunch of kindling and stuff like that, but the bigger wood's coming little by little. And there's tons of down wood around here, so I don't have to touch no trees or nothing, so it's all gonna be from the ground. Every piece of wood that I burn. But yeah, I wanted to show that because I didn't show that, show me doing that, didn't show me go look for it. Trying to keep my spot hidden. I don't want to give it away, so that's the reason I didn't take you out where I was at getting the wood at. Again, this is my little secret spot, my little secret gym, so I don't want everybody to know about it. So that's the reason I didn't take all out there to find the driftwood for the chopping block. But I want to at least show you the chopping block and the insides, what I've done a little bit so far. Before I leave, I'll do some more recording and stuff, but before I leave, I'll show you the final finishing touches. Maybe a 2-day trip, but as of right now, it's looking pretty good for just a 1 day. But maybe end up being a 2. May have to come back tomorrow, maybe. We'll see what happens, but at least wanted to show you what I've done so far. Here's what it looks like over here, nice and clean. That pile of wood that I'm getting the wood from. Hang on, let me see if I can zoom in. No, I can't, so I just walk over there. Anyways, this was a huge, I remember if you went over our first show, I don't know if you remember, but this was a huge pile right here between the 2 tent sites that I'm making right now. So I dwindled it down quite a bit. Which is good because I don't want no snakes or anything living in there, especially when we're over here chilling at camp. I don't want to see nothing slither by my foot, or mom's foot, or baby Groot, or dad's foot. So basically just making camp safe for later on we come. But yeah, overall it's coming along nicely. It's only taking a few hours because right now it's 12:19. I think the last time I checked in, or the first time I checked in, was 10 something, maybe almost 10. Anyways, it's been a few hours, but I wanted to show y'all what I've gotten done so far. Again, before I roll out of camp, I'll show you the finishing touches, and I'll probably record a little bit more in between. But I got some more wood to chop. Till then, y'all ride that tasty wave. What's up, everybody? Just giving a little update on camp so far. Here's what one spot's looking like right here. This is what my area is right here. There's the wood, the chopping block is right here. They put in the ground. Now I'm working on mom and dad's spot, getting their stuff situated. So basically what you do is you'd go probably between these two trees where mom's sitting right there. I'm gonna take you over here. And mom was thinking she wanted this spot right here for her tent, for her and dad to sleep in the tent. So basically I'm just cleaning it up, taking away a lot of dead brush, a lot of unwanted stuff, and just make it look nice. So that way it's nice, clean, neat. I'm gonna try and get out here till Friday possibly to do a camp. No work, just camp, just chill, check it out, see what else I need to do. Probably tomorrow when I come out, I'm gonna be doing some more cleaning and probably doing the fire pit, making that guy more likely over there, right over there, so that way it's away from the camp tents, and if wind blows, the embers won't blow into it and mess up the tents and put holes in them, which then therefore makes them not waterproof. So we want them to be waterproof just in case, or water resistant. But in the meantime, I'm gonna pop a squat, sit down for a little bit, let the old nub rest, and I'll be back in a little bit. Till then, ride the tasty wave, y'all. All right, everybody, I think I'm done for today. Time is now 1:43. I think I'm done working on the camp today. That's all I've got done. All the tree branches that were right there are now gone. And put up over here, right there in the tree branch spot. Got the broom with the chopping block right here for tomorrow, so I can do some more chopping and some more cutting and everything, some more firewood, get some driftwood and everything like that. Got my spot cleaned up right here. Careful, those thorns. Got my spot right here cleaned up, all right here. Let me see something. I can't. Anyways, there's that spot right here looking nice and good and clean. The chopping area, nice, good and clean. And there's Baby Groot. He's having a good time outside, y'all. He's loving this. He can't wait to come back tomorrow and then Friday to camp. And here's that spot center walk through. But anyways, there's mom again. Hey, mom.
Hey.
And they got her spot and dad's spot right here. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish cleaning up. I got it kind of cleaned up right now. Not like I want it to. I want it to be nice and neat and clean. So there's that right there. Wanted to give you a little tour of the camp right now. Baby Groot, careful with the thorns. But I will be back tomorrow. There's gonna be part one of two parts, and then Friday's gonna be a camp that we can break it in. Tomorrow I gotta also build the fire pit too. But yeah, there's gonna be part one and part two, maybe 3 parts. But there's gonna be part one right here. Tomorrow will be part 2, which will come out Saturday. And then the camp will come out the following Wednesday. That's the plan. No promises, that's the plan. Depends on how long it takes to edit. Shouldn't be too long, hopefully. But if it is, it is. I love it. I love doing it. Baby Groot right here, he's so ready to go. Can you say Baby Groot? Say hey. Say hey. He's sleepy, he's hot, he's ready to go. So I'm not gonna film anything on the way out because again, I don't want anybody seeing where this is at. But yeah, that's the little tour. Welcome to the humble abode. Well, that's it for today, y'all. Again, hope y'all had a good time watching. Hope y'all enjoy watching it. Other than that, y'all ride that tasty wave.